losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack.
Hello guys, how you guys doing? I hope you guys are having a lovely day. So guys, I'm really happy again. Oh my, this Christmas goes sweet. Somebody say it goes sweet. This Christmas goes sweet for your side. Just say it's so sweet. It goes sweet. See, I'm really excited because I just received a call this morning. Like this morning, somebody called me that I should come and pick up the bag of rice he sent for me. And this person, I met this person on Facebook. There's a particular page where we are asked to um, write something like interested on the comment section if we need bag of rice. And gracefully, I was like, how many people are they going to give this bag of rice? So I just reluctantly, something like that. I just like, okay, if it will make sense, let it just make sense. So I just decided to write interested. It just pumped up on my Facebook timeline and I just saw that page. So I decided to just write interested. How would they speak this English? Sef? You won't even know who will help you. That is what I want to say. Jesus, the excitement is too much. But this Christmas goes sweet. So let me say it again. So they called me this morning and they told me that my bag of rice is on the way because this guy, there's a particular guy, his name is Mr. Emeka. So he said he came to my DM. He said he saw my comment on one post where I commented interested, and he said, "Am I really interested, or I'm just writing interested?" I said, "Who no got interested for rice this time around?" He said, "Okay, don't worry, yours is coming." I just said a joke. This morning I got a message. He told me to send my phone number to him. He said he's sending somebody to bring this bag of rice from CMS all the way to Ikota so that I can come and pick it. So he needs my phone number. I gave him the phone number. Behold, even before I released that phone number, I was just thinking it's a scam. We have to be safe. But at the same time, we need destiny helpers. So I said, okay, well, let me just take the risk. Hey, I'm shocked. My husband just called me that it's real. Oh, the rice now is at my estate gate. So he's already coming with it. My husband is already coming with the rice. He has gone to pick it from Ikota. So guys, I'm waiting for him to knock so that we can just go ahead and open the door together and see. See, one full bag of rice. This one not be half full. I was thinking it's even going to be half, or it was my husband that told me that this one a full bag of rice. Can you imagine this time? Oh, this Christmas goes sweet for me. It goes sweet. Let's say remain and a chicken. So in case you have chicken, like now I've learned not to be closing my mouth. I've learned to always open my mouth whenever I need something. You get chicken, please. I need though. If you have bottle of oil, I need. No. I think he even added bottle of oil. Yes, he added oil, granite oil. Yes. So if in case you have excess palm oil, I beg, give your girl. Your girl is here. Oh, guys, I'm so happy. Like, I don't know how all this is really happening. I don't just know. So let me just stop talking for now. So let's just go. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait, guys. Let's wait for my husband to come. So let's wait for him to knock. Oh God. See, guys, God will do yours for you, okay? Those of you trusting one or two things, God will surely do it for you. This Christmas. See, this Christmas is wonderful. I'm not here to cajole anybody. Yes, who is that? Who is that? Who is that?
And yeah,
So, guys, let's go ahead now and check it out. My husband is here already. Let me keep this light so that they'll... I'm coming. I'm coming.
yeah,
Yes, you. Uh-uh. Yeah. So this is real.
ah, it's real.
Uh-uh. Jesus. This one plenty, oh.
It's one full bag of rice.
Jesus. Can you imagine? Mr. Emeka, God bless you for me. God bless you. God bless you. And this is even one of my main. Honestly, I'm just even.
I was surprised. Honestly.
I'm really convinced now. Now why I use my eyes see, and now even they convinced. Like, so this is real. The other put on this side. Don't let her near the wall. Don't let her near wall. Me water no touch her. Mr. Emeka, can you see? Thank you so much. Really, we really. I don't know the English. I won't speak again. The other way the bottle of groundnut oil. He's saying add bottle of groundnut oil. Joy. Yeah. Jesus. Thank you.
This is the oil.
Okay. Jesus.
Yes.
God will bless this man. Oh, God will bless this man. Oh my guys, see, Christmas don't show for me. This light is not even doing justice to this at all. This Christmas don't show for us. Can you imagine? What will I even repay this man back? What will I give to this man? Like, hey, God, I'm really grateful. So guys, I'm really grateful because right now I don't even just know what to say to this man. Mr. Emeka, thank you. God will bless you. Where this has come from, more will come. God will replenish your pocket. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. What is remaining now is just chicken. Hey. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe and support this channel. Bye.